If you've ever wanted to make short video clips from a long video, but it took way too much time, then you'll want to watch this. I will show you how to quickly make short video clips from a long video using Pictory AI. This is the main dashboard that you come to when you log in. The text reads, "Which content would you like to repurpose into video?" Pictory AI provides 4 ways to repurpose content. You can use a text script that you have written and turn it into a video. That would be done here. You can take a blog article and turn it into a video. That would be done here. If you have a video that you want to edit using text, you would do this here. If you had a series of different visuals like video or image files and you wanted to combine them into a video, you could do that here. What we want to do in this tutorial is take an existing long video and we want to edit using text. This will allow us to create short video clips. I will select the module Edit Video using text and click on Proceed. The next screen you will see is the Input Your Video file. Near the top right of the screen, you will see Select Language in the video. Since the video is in English, I will select English US. I will use a YouTube video link for my video source. Let's get a link from YouTube. Here we are at YouTube. I'm going to select the video Winston Churchill's quotes from the list. Click on the link to go to the video page. From here, I will copy the video link. Now we will go back into Pictory AI. I will paste the YouTube video link into the text box under YouTube video link. Then click on Proceed. There's only one speaker, so click Proceed. Pictory AI will load the video. This could take several minutes. In most cases, it loads the video pretty fast. The YouTube video has finished uploading into Pictory AI. Now we will take a look at the long video. The long video has been transcribed by Pictory. You can see the text on the left side of the screen, and the current length of the video here near the lower right corner of the screen. You will notice dots next to the text. The dots represent pauses in the video where no one is talking. When you put your mouse cursor over the dot, it shows the time of when the pause occurred, which is kinda cool that it gives that level of detail. We will focus our attention on the transcribed text. I will use the transcribed text to make short video clips. We're going to look at this quote here at the beginning of the long video. The first 2 words are kite rises. I will select the complete quote with my mouse. Now let's focus our attention to the highlight tab on the top left side of the screen. Currently, it shows that no clips are selected. Watch what happens after I click the Add to Highlight menu item. The number 1 is now visible in the Highlight tab. This means we have 1 highlight clip saved. I will now create some more clips. I will select the text for the next quote. Do a right mouse click on the selected text. A pop-up menu will be displayed. Select the menu item Add to Highlights. Now there will be 3 highlight clips showing on the Highlight tab. I will now go into the Highlight folder by clicking on the Highlight tab. You will now see 3 highlight clips. The result I was looking for was to have 2 highlight clips. A highlight clip equals 1 quote. I have 2 quotes and 3 highlight clips. Do you know what happened? The second quote is using 2 lines in the transcription. I need to merge the 2 lines into one. I will select the 2 lines. Then I will right mouse click on the selected text. A pop-up menu is displayed. Select the menu item Merge Sentences. The 2 lines will be merged into 1 line, which is what I want, as 1 line is equal to 1 quote. I will add another quote. I went ahead and added the rest of the quotes. We now have 14 total quotes, which means we have 14 highlight clips in the Highlight folder. I will click into the Highlights folder. You will see all the highlight clips in this folder. I want to download these clips. I want you to notice something about the button. It says Download Video Clips for selected highlights. I need to select the clips I want to have available for download. I can use the top box to select all, or I can just select clips one at a time. I will select all the clips to make them available for download. You might be wondering why I am saying available for download. The Download Video Clips for Selected Highlights button will not download the highlighted clips to your computer. It will start the rendering process to turn the highlight clips into video files. I will show you. In the right top corner, you will see Pictory showing notifications of the stage of processing for all the clips. In the top right corner is the notification bell. You see this pulsating green light around the notification bell. When I click on the bell, you will see that the videos are done processing. See the green arrow next to the video clip. You need to click the green arrow to download the video to your computer. I will download this clip here. Now let's take a look at the video clip. Looks good. That's how easy it is to make short video clips from a long video using Pictory AI. When you watch the video clip, you will see subtitles showing near the bottom. If you do not want subtitles, let me show you what you need to do. In the lower left corner, right below the video, you will see the subtitle toggle button. Right now, it is enabled. I will disable subtitles now. To save time, I will select one highlight clip to render to a video. Video generation is in progress. The video clip is now ready to download. Let's take a look and see what we got. Looks good again. This time without subtitles. We will now take a look at the project folder and see what's inside. Pictory AI makes a project folder for each project you create. Inside the project folder is the project file, the highlight video clips and the text files for each highlight video clip. You are able to download the highlight video clips from the project folder. You will always have access to your video clips. One last thing before we go. To access the text files, you need to click on the video file to see the text files associated with that video file. In conclusion, with Pictory AI's wide range of features and functions, it is possible to cut long video footage into smaller and more impactful pieces suitable for various purposes. The use of the software enables efficient video production with a user-friendly interface that allows users to make edits with drag, drop, or in-built editing tools. In addition, this software also provides creative options such as overlaying music, aiding titles, or creating split-screen effects. By utilizing Pictory AI, a person can create high-quality videos while saving time and effort, a great way to craft impressive presentations quickly. Did you know that Pictory Essentials YouTube channel is full of helpful video content? Our channel is dedicated to providing you with valuable tips on topics related to Pictory AI. So if you're looking to up your skill set, don't forget to take a look at our videos. So if you're searching for quality educational resources or just something fun to watch while stuck at home, head over to the Pictory Essentials YouTube channel now. We guarantee it's worth your time.